Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, doing a market analysis and key level video for the 8th of March, Sunday, on the S&P futures. And it's going to be an interesting week for sure. Last week price broke down below our key level, which was right here. You see, this was green last week, now it's red. It broke down, it came into that second support region we were looking at, and it did get some support above the lower boundary at 2065, 2064, and now we're seeing it bounce off a little bit. Now this week we're going to keep an eye on this level because this could be resistance anywhere from 2079 up into 2082, and if that does show up as resistance, I would be watching this blue box here. Anywhere from 2064 to 2056, and there is a possibility that it does come down a little lower. So this red line down here around 2047 quarter would really be my line in the sand. If price goes beyond that, then there's definitely something else playing out. Right now I'm thinking that it supports here. It's possible that it can break up through this level. So that's why I have it marked in red. It's either going to hold as resistance or price is going to go through it and have a good chance at just continuing up into this upper box. Holding as resistance, I think this will support, and then price will start buying up into this upper box, and this is 2031 up to 2053 quarter. So that's really what I'm looking for to happen. Obviously this lower boundary is the minimum move that I would want to see, but it could go a little bit higher. So that's really what I am looking at. What is actually playing out, what are we going to see? And if it takes off here, it's obviously going to be a little bit more bullish than if it comes down here and then buys up. But either way, I do think price is going to come up into this region. Last week was interesting because it popped down into our second support area, which was actually pretty nice, and right when it broke the first support area, it ran straight into the lower boundary of that second area. So that was actually kind of cool to see. We wanted to see it support here. It didn't. It broke it. It ran right to the second one. Which showed that it was a little bit weaker than we saw at the opening of the week. So that was interesting to see. But now that's basically what we're watching. We're watching this area and this area at the moment, and we're keeping sights on this area up here. So it'll definitely be an interesting week. Should be a very fun one. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, you got something out of it. You can always leave comments below. You can also email me directly if you choose to do that. support@businesswithtrading.com. Have a great week everyone, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.